What's up, everybody? This is Nick with HJ Cards, formerly known as Hockey Junkie 99 on YouTube and eBay. My new name on eBay is going to be HJ_cards on eBay, and it'll be updated on YouTube as well and all the other channels. Today we're breaking a box of Panini Contenders 2019-20. It's a hot product. A lot of people want it. A lot of people can't get it, but I was able to get one box. My curiosity got the best of me. I was going to flip it, but I decided I'm going to go ahead and break it, hoping for that Zion. So here we go. Good luck to myself. Box has been ripped. 6 cards per pack. Should be an autograph per pack, plus parallels. And obviously, we're looking for the Zion. For some reason, his card has a lot of value. So here we go. Our first autograph is going to be a Kansas player, Dedrick Lawson. You got a Keldon Johnson, Game Day, Carson Edwards, ×2, school colors. A lot of inserts. Okay. Pack number 2. Going to be Robert Franks. Must be a base. I've seen this card autograph pulled a lot out of this product so far. Cameron Johnson. Collation is pretty bad on the inserts. All right, pack number 3. We got a parallel. We got a DeAndre Ayton draft pick, numbered 15 of 99. Our autograph is Keldon Johnson on card. For Kentucky. That's 2 Kentucky autographs. Grant Williams. They keep putting duplicates. All right. Pack number 4. Jonte Porter. All right, 2 more packs left. Let's see what we got. From the Wolverines, Ignas Brazdeikis, or Dikis. Jared Culver. Yeah, looks like they're duplicating these guys. All right, last pack. Against Dort, Arizona State. Great autograph. All right. And not even a base or parallel of Zion. All right, there you have it. All these cards will be on eBay tonight. Look for them if you want them. HJ Cards, HJ_cards. We'll catch you on the next break. Take it easy. Bye.